I'm shocked.
Welcome guys to the studio. Couple of projects that I'm working on. It's been a minute since I did this, since we vlogged, since we talked, but a lot of disappointments, fun moments, and many other things that are coming up this month, this year, this week. So stay tuned. Remember to like and subscribe. But I was just catching up. Man, this week has been a very fantastic week. But the major thing was I had an ESC problem. I had a motor problem. I bought a motor from Amazon and the guy soldered it badly, if you can see. So every time I tested the motor, all my ESCs were fried. I had to order new motors to solder myself. So I have a couple of them. These are the brushed motors. I had to order brushless motors. The Tamiya also had a problem with the speed, so we're doing a couple of upgrades. So as you can see, it doesn't have a motor inside. Ordered a new one. I'm going to remove the ESC and replace that so that I can have a new motor, a new ESC, so that we can have some fun. We can add some more speed to it. Besides that, this was fun. I really enjoyed playing around with it. We also have the tiny drift car. I think it's 164 the scale, so I had fun testing the three of them. And the studio is looking lovely. I've been playing around with the buggy. Added a new ESC. That's not the original ESC of this buggy. The thing is just a beast. I like it. Definitely one day I'll do a review for that. There are a couple of other projects that are coming up. I have to change the motor for this one. I have to change give it a new motor, new ESC, so that I can be able to crawl with it. And probably I'm also going to change the arms and the rods and everything else so that it can be more sustainable. That being said, new baby in the house, the off-road crawler, also still stock, but I want to leave it that way. I like it. It does wonders. It's powerful. And that's it. Other than that, I'm happy. I'm in the studio working on new ideas. I got this is the Bugatti original. I got them in different sizes, but this is not the Bugatti, that's the Toyota, the original Toyota. Yeah, man, the studio is looking great.
Compared to both motors, which one is the motor you're adding? That one? Which one made it slow?
The older one.
Where is it?
Right on there.
Oh, okay. That's two. That's two. And with these ones, they'll go a little bit weird.
Okay, come on. Time to go test it. Fix the bucket. Every time I fix this, it stops working. So now I gotta fix it and test it after I fix it. Okay.
I'm shocked. The hood. Can I put on the hood?
There you go.
This looks so old-fashioned even with the lights. You're such a genius when you put extra of these, so when you lose one you could replace.
Yep. We have two cars. We're going to test them out, have some fun. We have just a few minutes, nothing serious, no reviews, just basic fun. Let's go. Okay, come we do race all the way. Straight.
So that would be one for you.
Yeah. Who knows? The first one to go around the ping pong table and back. 1, 2, 3, go.
I gave you a 1 second head start. It's fair. Now I can beat you. Worst world record in the world. So easy.
Okay, wait. We have to get the same one. So just give me a minute.
At a price that is immediately affordable and with the ability to be tuned up to amazing performance at any time.